Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to briefly discuss what the $GetCurrent folder is and if it is safe to remove from your computer. So this folder is created in a directory of your Windows drive on your computer when you perform an upgrade. So generally these are leftover Windows Update installation files which can range in size from a few hundred megabytes up to several gigabytes in size. And with the size of hard drives nowadays getting smaller in a lot of instances, in a lot of cases you might want to go ahead and actually safely delete the files or folder once you've backed up maybe to an external hard drive or flash drive or cloud backup storage. So these files are set to be automatically deleted by Windows 30 days after installation. You can also check the day modified field within the folder if you want to see if there's any folders or files that really don't appear necessary to see how old the folder is. Typically the folder is hidden by default, but if you have hidden files and folders enabled through Windows Explorer View enabled, then you would be able to see those folders. You might want to consider creating a restore point as well before deleting it. Not really necessary, it's not very critical, especially if you don't plan on reverting back to an older build of Windows or an older version of Windows. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.